tori day. The other tori now, na that man where they call it say Saint Desir Atango. Saint Desir Atango, na popular figure. Now this kind of way don't come so we don't know say Saint Desir Atango be na polygamy. But some wonderful, extraordinary polygamy will be there inside. He own polygamy, no be say na different women they will don't marry them. Na say na 2 out of it 3 girl picking them. Where you don't marry them. 1 don't run. 2 then they with you. Where it is sleep with them. Morning, afternoon, evening. Morning, afternoon, evening. So they don't born picking with your own picking. That will say ye be grandpa for a picking. Because if you born picking born picking, now you be grandpa. But if you born picking, you sleep with a picking. For born another picking, you be papa for your picking, and then be grandpa for your picking. Hey! Hey! The penal code for Cameroon, Article 360. And then you go down for 345, 47, 346, you go understand the punishment. Now from 1 year to 3 years, from 500,000 to 2 million, where you supposed to pay if you do that kind of thing. But so another article, sub-article, they will talk say, if you are by force and then some man called book, like papa called book or mommy called book, saying that they happen, then they fit judge them. But if they don't big, oh, so now that's where big people they do law, they call it jurisprudence. That means say, thing where law not talk up, we no fit judge them, we no fit sanction them because law not talk the thing. They do not pass our power. It is some kind way, it go be for some kind way. We wanna look the matter now. All would look the matter, it be how. Now, so journalists, they don't go interview that Saint Desir Atango a pikin. That pikin, he self talk, say, the year more, he repe. Say, repe na prophet. Say, that time for COVID, if papa be talk, say, COVID go come, I come. Say, they supposed for year, papa say, na prophet. Anytime papa talk, it correct. And then, he say, it day we pa, the day they don't born they are picking them, it day, for Torike we pa, no be problem for you because na prophet and na God sending. Cha chuchwa putu rabata pata pata. I don't speak in tongues. Rababa tutu putu parata pata pata. Hey, massa. The matter so he passed me. He passed plenty people into. He passed remedy them. So one day they hear the matter so they vomit a wow one time because it make you get that kind of fever away. Your skin is shake. Say how papa feeling nang in injaka. How papa feel nang in injaka so they born pikin. How papa fit take injaka, he enter a woman's skin, and then he go for that play pikin, he go toilet with them, he enter 2 for day. Now the chiwo won't understand. Hey, aside don't be some kind of way, then they know the chakara, it don't be na LA haphazard. Grandma don't come up for that matter, because the matter, it passed me.